Hello all, this is Dr. Jayesh Tarani and I am going to present you the how to prepare presentation of any research paper. Students are going to the conference but they are presenting the research paper in not any organized manner. So whenever students are going to the conference and they want some idea about how to prepare presentation of any research paper, at that time they can refer this video. Any presentation we should prepare in very concise manner. So the research paper contains main part is abstract, material methods, introductions, and experimental methods, and result and discussion, conclusion. These are the main part of any research paper. So, what should present and what should remove from that for prepare the presentation? Here I want to give some idea. So, this is the first slide, that is called the title slide. Here you can make the here you can write the title slide, means you can see here I have written the title and authors, number of authors and their affiliation and the corresponding author. Here you can see the my color combination are very attractive. So the you should prepare the presentation in very attractive manner. Okay. Next is the abstract. Abstract contains background, aim, and material methods and result and conclusion. Generally, abstract contains 200 to 250 words. So you have to present the complete abstract in the slide. So you can here you are explaining to the referees uh, your all research work in very concise manner. So abstract, full abstract is necessary requirement to present a research work. Next is the graphical abstract. Graphical abstract means you are presenting your research work through images. Here you can see the my research papers work I have shown in very concise manner through the images. Here you can see what is the material and methods, which method I have used, which layer I have selected, and which analysis I have performed, and then which compounds are identified. So through the graphical abstract you can understand all research work within the one slide. Next is the introduction. You should paste introduction in very less manner because introduction is the reported work and referees are not interested in your introduction. So you should make only one slide for introduction. Next is the material and methods. I have here written the material and methods which is used to prepare the prepare the further extraction and for the analysis work. You can see these are all experimental methods. You can cut down some description from this experimental method and you can say the orally. This is GCMS protocol. I have written all GCMS parameter here with protocol because uh, this GCMS protocol contains very minor parameters. At that time, referee will ask you in a very minor parameter. At that time, you can answer. Maybe this parameter not remember by you. At that time, you can say from this slide, but this is the example. You should follow your research paper. If in your research paper this type of method is present, then you can write all method. This is the result. You can all PDF we cannot present, so you have to cut down your main part from which you can explain all result, then you can explain this analysis. Here I have given the figure number also and figure name, GC graph of unsaponifiable matter. So every referee can see the which graph, which figure you are presenting. This is the result from analysis. You can see here that I have presented result in tabular form. So you can paste your data in tabular form and give the name of the table, like table 1 GC graph of integrated peak list, table 2 non-polar compounds in Plumbago xylenica stem. So you can present and audience can easily understand your research work. Here is the again, this is the figure 2 mass spectra of gamma cytosterol. Figure 3 again mass spectra. Figure 4. Then discussion. Discussion is what? Earlier whatever done in your area of research and you are adding in that area, means you have to compare your both earlier reported work and your work. By that way you can present the discussion. So you can show the importance of your research work. This is the conclusion. Means next slide you should prepare the conclusion. In this area you should make all extract or what should be done, what further studies is required in this area of research, or you can conclude your research work here. So this is called the conclusion, and you can no need to paste the old conclusion area from conclusion written from your research paper. You can make some keyword also. These are the references. References should be, as per my opinion, reference must be kept in the slide, and all references must kept, because you are showing the how many references you have taken to conduct the experiment. Acknowledgement, you can paste here the acknowledgements from which you have taken the help, you can put here. Last slide is thank you. After this slide, the referee will question you, and you have to give the answer about your experiment. So like this video, and you can prepare your presentation. After referring your video, you can get some idea how to prepare the presentation of when you are going to the present your research work in the conference. This is the very basic and very easy way to prepare the presentation. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. That will motivate me to prepare more and more videos. Thank you.